Hello, everyone. My name is Lexi, and welcome to my podcast. I'm really happy you're here today. I love talking with people who are learning English, just like me once. Don't worry, we'll keep everything simple and friendly. Today, we are talking about one of the most common questions in English. Tell me about yourself. You hear this question everywhere, in a new class, at work, or when you meet new people. It sounds easy, but sometimes it's hard to know what to say. So let's practice together. First, I'll tell you about me. My name is Lexi. I am from Canada, but now I live in a big city. It's busy and noisy, but I love the energy. I live in a small apartment. It's not big, but it's cozy and full of plants and art supplies. I really like it. My desk is always a little messy because I'm always working on new projects. I'm 25 years old. I'm an art student, and I love to draw and paint. Creating things makes me feel calm and happy. I also like reading, especially adventure stories. When I read, I can travel anywhere in my mind. I also enjoy playing video games, especially Roblox. It's so much fun to build things, explore new worlds, and meet people from different countries. Sometimes I even play with my friends from art school. We laugh a lot and create funny characters together. My family is very important to me. I have one brother, Tom. He's older than me. My mother is a teacher, and my father is a chef. My mom teaches little children, and my dad cooks delicious food in a restaurant. Our house always smells like fresh bread and soup. I also have a pet cat. Her name is Luna. She's black and white and very sleepy. She loves sitting near the window and watching birds. Sometimes she sleeps all day. What a life. Now, my favorite things. My favorite color is green because it reminds me of nature. My favorite food is pasta. I could eat pasta every day and never get bored. My favorite hobby is painting. I also enjoy listening to music, watching funny movies, and sometimes going for a walk in the park to get new ideas for my art. But there are some things I don't like too. I don't like waking up very early. I always want 5 more minutes in bed. And I don't like very spicy food. My mouth just can't handle it. So when someone asks me to talk about myself, I can say, "Hi, my name is Lexi. I'm from Canada. I'm a student, and I love painting, reading, and playing Roblox. I don't like waking up early, but I love coffee." See? It's short, simple, and friendly. Now it's your turn. I want to know about you. Go to the comments and write 1 or 2 sentences. You can say, "My name is, I am from," or "I like something, my favorite food is something." Don't worry about mistakes. Practice is how we learn. I'll read your comments and reply to some of them in the next episode. Thank you so much for listening today. You did great. Remember, learning English is easier when you enjoy it. Keep smiling, keep practicing, and I'll see you soon in the next episode. Bye for now.